Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to open CMD command prompt in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to open CMD command prompt in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start. Now scroll down. Click on Windows System, and here first option command prompt. So click on that is. And other way, click on Start. Tap here CMD. CMD. After click on command prompt. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to open CMD command prompt in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.